In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive and informative FAQ section on your website using summary and accordion blocks. This technique is perfect for providing clear answers to common questions your audience might have. We're aiming to make this experience seamless, so let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to add a section to your web page where these blocks will reside. This will usually be in a dedicated FAQ page, but it can also be integrated into an existing section depending on your needs. Once you've decided on the location, it's time to add the first content block. Depending on your website builder, this might be referred to as a section or block. Look for the option labeled Summaries or Accordion. If your platform supports both, choose based on the visual style and functionality that best suits your website's design. After selecting the right block, it's time to add your FAQ content. You'll be manually entering the questions and answers here, so make sure you've prepared these beforehand. A good practice is to anticipate the questions your audience frequently asks. Keep your answers clear and concise to enhance understanding. For example, a question might be, "What is your return policy?" followed by a straightforward answer outlining the key points. You'll add each question and its corresponding answer into the block you've set up. The beauty of the summary or accordion style is that it keeps your page clean and easy to navigate, allowing visitors to click on questions to reveal more detailed information. Now, let's move on to styling. The presentation of your FAQ section can significantly impact user experience. Take advantage of the styling tools available to you within your website builder. You can adjust the font size, color scheme, and even the spacing between questions to ensure that everything is visually appealing and aligns with the overall look of your website. If your platform offers advanced customization, consider adding icons or visual indicators that suggest the expandable nature of each question. This can improve user interaction as it visually indicates that more information is just a click away. Once you are satisfied with the content and the styling, it's important to save your changes. This final step ensures that all your hard work is preserved and the FAQ section is live and ready for your audience to explore. It's always a good idea to preview the page as if you were a visitor navigating through to ensure everything functions as intended.